Hi there, and welcome to a video tutorial on how to replace an image on your WordPress website. Now the image I'd like to replace is this one here, which consists of a WordPress login screen on a pink background. I'd like to update this image to be a more modern version of the WordPress login screen and also on a grey background. So I'm going to go across to the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to go down to Media, Library. I'm then going to click the image that I would like to replace. Here I have a Replace Media, Upload a New File option. Now this option only exists because if I go to the plugins page, I can see I've installed a plugin called Enable Media Replace. So if the option is not available, make sure you install this plugin. Back to the Media Library, I'll click Upload a New File. I will choose the file. Now because I'm using exactly the same file name, I can just replace the file. If I was using a different name, I'd need to use the second option down here. Now I can click Upload. And this message here notifies us that the media file has been updated. Now, WordPress automatically generates multiple versions of an image. You have the full-size version you uploaded, small, medium and large. So it's important after replacing an image to regenerate the thumbnails to make sure the small, medium and large versions have also been updated. Now this option here wouldn't exist again unless we had a certain plugin installed. So back to the plugins page, if I scroll down, here we have Regenerate Thumbnails. If you don't see the option on the Media Library section, make sure you install this plugin. So I'm going to click Regenerate Thumbnails. That will happen really quickly because we've only got the one image that we're regenerating. We can go back to Media Library. Now, as you can see, the image isn't showing as updated here or here. And even if I go to the front end of the website, again, the image isn't showing as updated. Now, depending on what browser you're using, simply clicking refresh might update the image. I'm using the Chrome browser, which requires that I right-click somewhere on the page and choose Inspect. That will show a small panel of code at the bottom. With this panel displayed, I'm then able to right-click the refresh button and choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload. That is what's required within Chrome for me to see the latest version of the image. As you can see, it's updated successfully. Now, the Empty Cache and Hard Reload option that we've just been through applies to the browser as a whole. So if I go back to Media Library now, simply refreshing will be enough to update that image. There we go. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and keep your eyes peeled for future video tutorials.